There you go.
Big pillows.
Okay, stack them high, stack them high.
Okay.
There you go. Good job. Uh-oh, uh-oh. That's okay, that's okay. Stack them some more.
Some more.
Mm-hmm.
My shirt, my dress.
That's too long.
Wow.
Whoa.
It's too long.
It's a little bit wobbly. Okay, here. Let's put this one over here. Let's put that one on top of that one. And let's put this one on top of that one. That's a good way. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Now we can get it nice and high. Okay. Good job.
It's cute.
What about this one?
Okay. Yes.
Can you find any more you can put on there? Make it even higher?
Yeah, I'll go get some more pillows. More pillows. I got some more pillows.
Whoa. Whoa.
Some more pillows. More pillows. More pillows. Look it. I'm crawling in the pillows. Why? Wow, the pillows so big. They're so big to me. Okay. 1, 2, this is my house. This is my house. This is my house. I'm going to show you my house. This is my house. What's your Whoa. That was so fun, my house.
Is that a feather? This is like something. This is like something out of a movie. Does a feather really fly up? I think you got feathers flying all around.
1, 2, 3. So crazy.
It's so crazy.
Mama's running right. Yeah. Got out.
Are you done?
1, 1, 2, 3. This is all of my life. I've never seen it before. Daddy, Daddy, do like this. 1, 2, 3. This is my life.
You like your pillow fort? Hmm?
Yeah!